This is what Bob worries about now that his team has outgrown their procurement software. Meet Bob. Bob is head of procurement and loves his job. But Bob doesn't love his outdated procurement platform. He has big ambitions for his department. His team and company keep growing, and he needs his platform to do a lot more if he's going to fully optimize his department's processes and make him look great. ePMX from Bellwether software can replace Bob's outdated software overnight. It automates and streamlines the entire procure-to-pay process, including inventory, asset, and contract management, and even punch-out ordering. It's a powerful system built for teams that need a complete cloud purchasing suite full of features and functionality. ePMX easily shares data with your other systems like ERP, CRM, or MRP, allowing for a more strategic business environment. We know that every organization is different. Bellwether software is modular, so no matter how big your team grows or if your needs change, we've got you covered. Also, with Bellwether, you get easy onboarding and your own dedicated team to support you whenever you need it. So relax, Bob. Bellwether makes procurement effortless.